In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm Etsy account. By the end, you'll have a fully verified Etsy profile so you can shop, save favorites, and get notifications without any hiccups. Start by opening your browser and going to Etsy.com. On the homepage, look toward the top right and click Sign In. Even though it says Sign In, this is also where you begin creating a new account. In the window that appears, choose Register to start fresh. On the registration options, select Continue with Google. This is the quickest way to set up your account since it uses your existing Google details. A Google sign-in window will appear. If you're already logged into Google, you may just need to pick your account. If not, enter your Google credentials and follow the prompts. You're essentially giving Etsy permission to use your basic profile and email address to set up your account. Once that's done, Etsy will bring you back to the site and you'll be signed in. But there's one more important step to make everything official. Now, go to the email inbox associated with the Google account you just used. Look for a new message from Etsy asking you to confirm your email address. These messages usually arrive within a minute, but depending on your provider, it can take a bit longer. Open the email and click the button that says Confirm Email Address. This link will open a new tab or window and bring you back to Etsy. When it loads, you should see a confirmation message or notice that your email is verified and your account is ready to go. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the browser tab with Etsy open while you check your email and make sure the confirmation link takes you to the official Etsy.com domain. If the message doesn't show up right away, give it a moment and look in folders like spam or promotions, as automated emails sometimes land there. Also, if the button in the email doesn't open properly, you can usually copy and paste the link into your browser. That's all there is to it. You went to Etsy, started a new account by choosing Continue with Google, then confirmed your email from the message Etsy sent you. With your email verified, you're set to browse, buy, and personalize your experience on Etsy with confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly confirmed account.